Wednesday, July 24th, Morning Gospel and Coffee. I was wondering whether I should start getting product placement endorsements and maybe bring in a little money, like, hey, coffee brought to you today by Hub Coffee Roasters and Mark Trujillo. Great cup of coffee. See if I can get a few advertising bucks. So, Gospel today is from continuing Matthew chapter 13, verses 1 through 9. In this scene, it says Jesus is preaching. He sat by the sea and he's preaching to the crowds. And he gives them that parable about, how the sower sows the seeds and he's scattering them about. Some fall on ground, some fall among the thorns, get choked up, but then some fall on rich soil and produce a good crop. And the image is that God is always gracing us. God is always giving us His love, His grace, His wisdom. And it's our attitude that becomes the rich soil. And that attitude changes throughout the day. But I think maybe it was occurring to me is, God is always dispersing that. And it always comes at every part of our day. We don't just get graced in church. Nor do we get just graced in holy places. Every day, the here and now, wherever we're at. And our attitude determines how much we are aware of that grace. Our attitude in that here and now, in the moment, is how we then open ourselves to experience the salvation in that moment. And so we have to always then work on our attitude, our acceptance of that. And that's that discipline of prayer, and just mindfulness, really being mindful that God is gracing us at every moment of our lives. And when we open that up, we open ourselves to those seeds of grace, of wisdom that God is giving to us each and every moment. It will produce a rich fruit, a rich harvest in our lives. We'll look at life differently, and we'll be able to live life differently. Now, easier said than done. I recognize that. Again, if it were easy, everybody would be doing it, eh? So try that today. Be maybe especially mindful today of where you're at, of God's grace coming down upon us. And maybe then say, how can I be changed to greater experience this moment, whether good or, quote, bad. So you all have a good day. Enjoy, and I'll see you next week. Because, maybe I'll be here tomorrow. We'll see, because I'm supposed to go to Sacramento.